Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and I hope you all are doing well. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make this super natural looking Afro crochet wig headband wig from start to finish. With that said, let's go straight into the video. Okay, so first you want to take your braiding hair. Right here, I'm going to be using one pack of hair. So you want to go ahead and cut the hair into 5 equal lengths. So next you need to pull on the ends of the hair to get rid of the blunt end and also to help give you extra length. So once you're done doing that, you need to take your hairbrush and brush the hair to make sure it's tangle free. So for the next step now, we need to make the headband crochet wig cap. So for that, you will need a headband and also a wig cap for the process. So to start, you need to pin the wig cap to the mannequin head. So next, mark the middle part on the cap. So the next step, you need to take your hairband and pin it to the middle. Start by securing the middle part down. Okay, so next you need to pin the hairband along the front all the way to the ear part on the mannequin head. So you want to make sure to pin it a little bit away from the elastic band on the wig cap. So you need to repeat the same process on the other side. So again, you need to make sure to pin the hairband a little bit away from the elastic band on the black crochet wig cap. So once that is done, you can sew it down using your hand. You can do a hand stitch by using your needle and thread, or you can sew it down using a sewing machine. So for me, I'm going to be sewing it down using my sewing machine, and also I'm using a zigzag stitch for the process. So once you're done sewing the hairband to the wig cap, so the next step, you need to cut out the elastic band from the front of the wig cap. So you will need to cut out the elastic band under the hairband. Okay, so once that is done, your crochet wig cap is pretty much ready to be used. It's ready for the next step. So this is the hairband crochet wig cap. Okay, so once you have your wig cap, the next step, you need to pin it. You need to place it back on the mannequin head and pin it in place. Okay, so now we need to start by crocheting the hair. So to start, you need to crochet the hair along the edge of the black cap at the back right here. So for today's video, I'm going to be using the double split knot method for the crochet wig. You need to take a small amount of hair, okay, just like this. So next, take your crochet hook and pass it through the hole on the black cap along the edge of the cap. So next, you need to hook the hair. Give me a second. Hook the hair and pull it through. So using your finger to separate the hair, just like I'm doing in this video, hook one on the end of the hair, pull it through, and again hook the second end of the hair and pull it all the way through. Now pull on both ends to secure the knot in place. So again, I'm using a double split knot method for the crochet wig. Okay, almost done. So you need to leave a little bit of space in the front, just as you can see right here. So now I'm going to be filling in the space using a tiny amount of hair, using a really small amount of hair. So I'm going to be filling in the space in front. Again, doing the same thing, I'm using the double split knot crochet method. As you can see, the amount of hair I'm using for the front area is very tiny. So you need to reduce the amount of hair you use once you get to the front of the wig cap. Okay, so I'm done crocheting the hair. So now we need to move on to the fun part, okay? The fun part of this wig, which is creating that beautiful, kinky, textured, natural looking afro hair, okay? So to do that, you're going to need yarn, okay? You will need yarn for this process. So you need to cut the yarn a little bit longer than the length of the hair, okay? So once that is done, you need to make a section and next divide it into two, just like I'm doing in this video. Divide it into two, and the yarn is going to be the third strand for the braid. So we're going to start by braiding the hair. Okay, again, the yarn will be the third strand for the single braid. So you want to go ahead and start braiding the hair. So when braiding it, make sure not to braid it too tight. Okay, you don't want to braid it too tight. Do a loose braid, just like I'm doing in this video. So you can start by wrapping the thread around the root about 2 times if it proved difficult. So, or you can just go straight into braiding it, but you want to make sure that the braid is loose and not tight. So braid it all the way to the tip, just like I'm doing in this video. So once you get to the tip of the hair, you need to hold both strands of the two strands of the braid, which is the hair. So the third one is the yarn, right? So you need to hold the hair in place. Now pull on the yarn. At the same time, you're pushing the hair towards the root of the braid, just like I'm doing in this video. You see this right here? This right here is what's going to give you that beautiful, beautiful, natural, kinky, koi pattern right there. So once you push it all the way down to the root, next step, you need to wrap the yarn around the end of it to secure it in place, and tie a knot to secure the yarn in place, okay? You see that right there? This right here is the star of the show. Look at this. Look at this. Oh, wow. Okay, so now you want to go ahead and repeat the same thing on the rest of the hair, okay? So again, you need to make a section for the braid. So next, brush the hair through to make sure it's tangle free. Divide the hair into two, just like I'm doing in this video. So next, you need to take your yarn and place it on the hair just like this. The yarn will be the third strand for the braid. So once you place it in place, the next step is to go ahead and braid the hair. Again, make sure not to braid it too tight. You want to do a loose braid just like I'm doing in this video. So you want to make sure the braid is not tight. If it's too tight, it will be difficult to push the hair towards the root. So you want to do a loose braid. So braid a little bit. Once you braid a little bit, you can braid it all the way to the tip, or you can braid a little bit, push it towards the root, and continue braiding. Again, don't braid it too tight. Okay. So braid it all the way to the tip. So as you can see right here, hold the hair in place. Now pull on the yarn to push the hair towards the root of the braid, just like this. So once you pull it all the way down like that, you need to take the yarn and wrap it around the tip of the hair to help secure it in place. To secure the yarn in place, you need to tie a knot, okay? You need to tie a knot to secure it in place. Look at this. I'm so excited. All right, so next you need to pour hot water into a container, a bucket, whatever you have. Next, you need to dip the hair in the hot water. So let it soak completely. Let the hair submerge in the water. Next, remove it from the water and let it air dry completely. So I let it air dry completely. So right now I'm going in with my hair oil to apply a little bit of oil on the hair before going ahead to unravel it. So you can use any hair oil of your choices, any oil that you have at home, you can apply that on the hair. Okay, look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this. Okay, I'm getting way too excited. All right, so to unravel the braid, you need to take your scissors and cut at the tip. So once that is done, you just need to pull the hair out, just like I'm doing in this video, and remove the yarn. So once you done removing the yarn, you just go in and separate it. You don't need comb. You don't need comb or brush, nothing to fluff out this hair. Just look at this. Look at it right here. Look at this. You do not need comb. Oh my God. Look at this. Beautiful. Look at it. Oh wow. Are you seeing what I'm saying? It looks so perfect. It looks like my hair. Look at that. So yeah, I'm talking way too much. So you just want to go in with your hair oil, unravel the braid, and separate the hair with your fingers. You do not need comb. It's already perfect. Okay, you don't need to do too much. It looks it looks like my hair when I brush out my hair. So my hair is like this, right? Just that I don't like messing with it too much. I always put my fingers on my hair whenever I have it out. So this is a great protective style. You can wear it as a hairband wig. You can wear it as a Afro wig. But anyways, let me just show you guys the install process. I'm just going in to pop on the wig and I'm going to tie the hairband to help secure the wig in place. You can add combs. You can add wig combs to help secure it in place if you want. I'm just going in to secure the hair in place. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Do you guys see how beautiful, how natural it looks, as if the hair is coming out of my scalp, but it's not my hair, it's crochet wig. Like, this is the only protective style you need. It's You can wear it as a hairband wig, or you can, like I said before, you can wear it as an afro hairstyle. Look at this. You can't tell that it's not my hair. Are you seeing this? Wow. All right, guys, I'm talking way too much in this video. Talking way too much. All right, guys, so we've come to the end of today's video. As always, if you find this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up and also leave your comment down below. Let me know what you think of this video, and also hit the subscribe button down below if you are new to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching. Thank you all for subscribing, and I'll see you all in my next video.